Stormwatch Defense has officially entered a new era of aerial combat with the launch of serial production of its next-generation jet-powered Interceptor drone, a platform that combines speed, modularity, and advanced engineering to deliver unmatched flexibility on the modern battlefield. Designed for missions ranging from high-precision strikes to long-range reconnaissance and patrol operations, this drone represents a major leap in defense autonomy by reducing reliance on foreign technology and strengthening the security of domestic supply chains. At the core of this innovation is its universal airframe and modular design philosophy, which gives military forces the ability to quickly reconfigure the drone for a wide variety of missions. The airframe incorporates integrated Picatinny rails, a feature that not only allows for mechanical attachment of different payloads but also enables power and data transmission through the same interface. This means that the Interceptor can be equipped with weapons, surveillance sensors, electronic warfare modules, drop tanks, or even experimental systems without requiring extensive modifications or time-consuming integration work. For armed forces operating under tight deadlines and dynamic conditions, this level of adaptability translates into a critical tactical advantage. Powering this advanced system is the domestically produced 180N turbine engine, a key technological and strategic achievement for Stormwatch Defense. Unlike the commercial microturbines commonly used in similar drones, the 180N engine provides significantly greater thrust, durability, and operational reliability. It is specifically engineered for prolonged missions and heavy payloads, ensuring consistent performance under stress. Beyond its technical merits, the localization of engine production minimizes dependency on external suppliers, a factor of growing importance in a volatile global geopolitical environment. This approach guarantees uninterrupted availability of critical components, thereby safeguarding operational readiness even during international supply chain disruptions. When compared to other platforms that rely on off-the-shelf propulsion systems, the Stormwatch Defense Interceptor stands out in several ways. The enhanced thrust output not only improves its speed and maneuverability but also extends its range and endurance, allowing for deeper penetration missions and longer loiter times over target areas. The modular design means that operators can seamlessly transition from offensive strike missions to ISR, intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance roles, giving commanders a single platform capable of handling multiple mission profiles. Furthermore, the domestic production strategy reinforces national defense independence, which is becoming a critical requirement for military organizations worldwide. The commencement of mass production signals that Stormwatch Defense is prepared to fulfill large-scale contracts and respond rapidly to growing global demand for advanced interceptor drones. Looking ahead, the company plans to expand the Interceptor's capabilities with a broader selection of mission-specific payloads, including advanced reconnaissance sensors, electronic countermeasure packages, and next-generation precision-guided munitions. Experts suggest that the platform's modular architecture also makes it ideal for testing emerging technologies such as AI-driven targeting systems, networked drone swarms, and next-level battlefield communications. In short, this Interceptor is not just another UAV. It is a future-proof, multi-role combat platform engineered to provide unmatched versatility and resilience in high-stakes operational environments. With its combination of modular adaptability, powerful propulsion, and strategic independence, Stormwatch Defense has created a system designed to redefine air combat and set a new benchmark for modern military technology.